Hi guys, this is Journey for Christ Digital. Welcome to another wonderful class. And if you stay glued to this class, I'm going to show you, as I promised, how to run a Facebook page ads. Okay, how to run ads with your Facebook without eyeing anybody. So this is one of my accounts. Okay, this is for testing. So I know how to run app. I believe you have downloaded this Meta Ads app. Okay, the Meta Ad app, and also the Facebook business app. So stay glued to this. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button so that this thing can beat YouTube algorithm. That's the only thing you can do to help. All right. So this is your account. I'll just show you some necessary objectives here. Cause something objectives that we need to pass through. All right, in order to make this thing a successful one. All right, I believe this is your account. It must be your account. You have to log in through your normal Facebook account. You can see my normal Facebook account is Damilare. As you can see, Damilare there. Okay, and I've connected one of my bank details there. So that's my own normal Facebook account. All right, so let me show you some objective pattern that are coming there. Okay, by the time we are doing our ads, or as I've told you, Facebook is one of the best that can show your ads to millions of people based on what you set in. So I want to check some parameters that are necessary for us to do. All right, so as you can see this plus sign, click on that plus sign. Okay, click on that plus sign. All right, so can you see this is where you can select, look at the pages I have. Okay, you can select the page you want. So I'm going to use this Benson because we both created this Benson together. Okay, I'm going to use this Benson digital marketing. All right, I'm going to use that page to run this work. All right, so let's go there. So I've clicked on now. You need to experience all these objectives. That is the main reason in this tutorial. And most of the mistakes some of us do make is because of this objective. All right, it's because of this objective. Okay, we don't normally follow the process. All right, so now I will start from this. Okay, I will start from this. The post engagement, very easy. Can you see that? Get more people to see and engage your post. You just want to post, you just want people to engage and follow you. Okay, you want people to engage your post. Okay, that is what this one will do for you. All right, the disadvantage is that not everybody that like your page love what you are doing. They will show it to people that don't even have interest. All right, so that is what that one will do. Okay, so check the second one also, video views. Yes, video views. That one talking about all the we YouTubers. We can also use this video to video views. We want to promote a video, we want to get people attention with a video. All right, so especially people doing animation, all these stuffs. Okay, they can use video views. Okay, that the number of views matters. That is YouTube video views. When the number of views matters, you can use, no, anybody that even just scroll to your page even without watching the video, Facebook will count it as a view. So the if it is YouTube you are using, okay, the watch time will not increase, but only few people that have interest will watch to the end, or the review. Once they pass through it, they click, Facebook will count it as a view. Alright, so the next one is traffic. Website traffic. Website that they want to drive traffic to their website. Okay, so people will surely visit the website. Okay, this one also have an advantage because not everybody that visits your website will buy from you. Okay, it does not really convert. But if you have a website, it will help you. You can, there's something we call PPC, pay per click. All right, this one can work for your pay per click. As they click, you get paid. So website traffic can also work. Okay, if you have a website, all right, and that's your website. Okay, reach. You want to reach more people. Yes, they will help you reach more people. You want to reach as many as possible people. Yes, they will help you. You reach the old, reach the poor, reach the rich, anybody you want to reach. They will help you reach number of people. Okay, but does not really convert. Okay, does not really convert. All right, so the next one, which is the best one so far, is this message. All right, and don't forget, it's because you are using phone. If you are not using phone, if you are using laptop, you are going to see more than this. We are going to see more than this. Okay, and the word, but you don't have laptop, you are using phone. If you want to get more people to message you directly, message is the best. So we have so many essence. Okay, you have to know what the objective of what you are doing means. Okay, you have to really know. All right, the purpose of it is unknown, abuse is inevitable. So let's look at this message. People has access to message you, and this is what I was going to teach us. Okay, because most of us are business owners, so we want to use message. All right, so when you use message, people can easily visit you, people can easily chat you up, people can easily, so you have to visit, you have to use either messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram. Please note, it's only WhatsApp business you can use. All right, only WhatsApp business you can connect to it, and your Instagram or your messenger, they will message you directly. All right, so this is the one that is most effective for we phone users as a business owner. And that's on page like, yes, like any of your page, any page you have created like this page now. If I want the like to increase, if I want people to like it very well, okay, I can use page like. I can use page like, okay. People will engage, they will talk, they'll be chatting, you have, so it creates, I also like this, it creates awareness about your brand. It creates awareness for you, okay. So these are the objectives that are necessary. All right, these are the objectives you need. So anytime you pick any objective, once you pick an objective, you are good to go. All right, once you pick an objective, you are good to go. So if this objective is unknown, you will see that your ads may not convert, you may have problem with your ads. All right, so these are the objectives necessary for you to pick and run a good, okay. All right, so with this objective, you can easily now go on. If you want to pick it, okay, let's look at some things here. Let's look at some things here. All right, so okay, we have picked this. Okay, we want to pick the message now. Let's see some things under the message. All right, so okay, I've been doing one self. Okay, so I want to promote this. Let me just quickly do this. I want to promote this. I've picked this. Let's go on. So you have to connect messenger, WhatsApp business. Can you see? Instagram, can you see what I'm saying? So you have to connect one. You have to connect one. All right, you have to connect one. So I will advise you to pick WhatsApp business. If you don't have WhatsApp business, go and download. So once you pick WhatsApp business, they will ask you to put your WhatsApp business inside, okay, and you are going to fulfill the necessary. You have to connect your WhatsApp business to it. So go to WhatsApp business. There's a place for you to connect to this. So once you connect to it, automatically you are safe. So let's just pick messenger for now. Your headline, okay, your headline, your primary text. All right, I'm going to explain those things in the next video. I'm going to explain those things. I don't want this thing to be long, so I'm going to explain this in the next video. Placement, all this, they have essence, they have meanings. Okay, so all this nice, I'm going to explain them in the next video. All this section, okay, in our next video I'm going to explain them. So don't worry, I don't want this video to be long. So the main essence of what we are doing right now is that you have know the purpose of all this. The purpose of all this, you know the purpose already. Okay, you know the purpose already of all this. So once you get the purpose, that is the essence of why we are here. Don't forget, you can change any page. If you have more than 2 pages, more than 3 pages, you can change any page that you want to add VAT with. Okay, any page you want to place advert with. All right, this is your advert name, okay, that will display for people, your page name. All right, so we meet in the next video. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, okay, on this, so that we not miss the next thing. Okay, stop wasting money. Okay, with this now, you can easily do it for people. You can charge people for it. You can collect a lot of money by knowing how to do this thing. So we meet in the next class. Thumbs up, guys. See you guys later.